Welcome back to Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Okay, we back to our community, best community BPC. Give me applause first.
Oh,
Okay, thank you guys. Okay, let's move to the next question. Be ready, guys?
yeah.
Are you ready?
I am.
Okay. Okay. I want to ask about. Okay, my second question is: do you have a community that can fulfill or explore your hobby?
Yeah. To me, actually, from now, I didn't have like any kind of hobbies to support my hobby that I have right now, because yeah, I've been if I have maybe
Mhm.
the community is like a online community, so
Mhm.
maybe it's not exist in Makassar city, but I'm still looking for it. Like
Is your hobby badminton, right?
yeah.
So you can do the by online.
No, that is like that is like I mean my previous hobby that is watching movie. But for like badminton, I still think about that because yeah, it's kind of hard to enter like a community in my age right now because yeah, I'm a bit shy to enter a community,
Oh,
especially
really?
yeah. I'm a bit shy because inside the community there are like people that is totally great at playing badminton,
Mhm.
while me still noob.
Okay, next time you will do. Okay.
Yeah.
Play badminton by online. Okay. Okay. What about you? What about you, Rifki? Do you have a special community that can support your hobby?
Actually, not community, but something we doing together.
Mhm.
Like you can find the Instagram.
You doing together?
Yeah. No, we do together. Like
Mhm.
you can find the Instagram is Open Trip Makassar.
Mhm. What?
Open
Sorry?
Trip Makassar.
Open Trip Makassar.
Yeah.
Is that community?
I think I'm not said that community.
Uh-huh.
No community, but we invite other people to join with us to explore the island and snorkeling.
Mhm.
Is that doing so that support my my
Mhm.
swimming hobby.
Mhm.
Yeah, you can see how the beautiful from Makassar
Which
and it's so Sulawesi.
which place you ever visited and
Is
did
Lanjukan Island.
swimming?
Lanjukan
Pardon?
Island.
Pardon?
Lanjukan Island.
Oh, Lanjukang.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
One of the beautiful
Nice, nice.
island in Sulawesi
Mhm.
have mature shore.
Can you look at the camera,
Yeah.
please? Uh-huh.
When this is have mature shore
Mhm.
in the island, and you can go into snorkeling and see the coral is really beautiful, and you can camp too in the island, and don't worry about the water, but they will be super.
Okay, you are recommended as a tourism
Yeah.
ambassador.
So, okay.
Okay. What about you, Chang? Still? Okay. What about you, Chang?
So actually, I have a lot of hobby, but before when I elementary school until senior high school, I'm really like walking. No, I mean traveling.
yeah.
Traveling. I mean traveling. That is why.
Trap statement.
I'm really like about challenge,
Mhm.
and that is why I joined to such. I joined several community focusing to how to say climbing mountain and etc. But now I think I move, and also I focusing to learn about about language. Language is bahasa, right? Yeah. I'm really wanna become some like Vikinaki. They
Polyglot.
Yeah, polyglot.
Do you
Yeah.
speak Russian?
That's why I think several communities such as BPC Makassar really helping me to learn about bahasa, and also I have several other communities such as UKM Bahasa, and yeah, of course this is the community really relate what my hobby such as learn language, and now I learn about Japanese language and also English language.
What about Japanese?
Panis. I think
No?
I think step by step. First English, second language, Japanese language, and I prefer third is Arabic
Oh, you may
language.
learn with
Oh
Rifki.
yeah.
Okay.
He's Japanese, right?
I mean Japanese. Apa?
Japanese.
Japanese.
Oh,
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, that sounds great because you want to be a polyglot like
Yeah.
Vikinegi. That's good.
I mean,
Yeah.
Hi, girl.
it's very hard.
Okay, what about you, Miss Mala? Do you have a special community that can support your hobby?
Actually, I have two. I have one of community,
Mhm.
namely BPC, of
Okay.
course, because I'm a teacher of English, and
yeah.
I have one of application that I downloaded several months ago,
Mm-hmm.
since on January,
Mm-hmm.
and you know, and in that application,
Mhm.
I can know some
Mhm.
of languages,
Mhm.
but I really like Portuguese. Since many months ago, not months, 2 years ago maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, I can explore what I want to know, especially for
First
language
is your
and
community
cultures.
is BPEC that can
Yeah,
support.
community. Yeah,
And second
BPEC.
is
No, it's not a community. I
okay,
told
okay.
you, it's one of application, and you
Mhm.
can download it. But
Ah.
I don't want to mention it here.
Okay.
We can talk
Okay,
privately.
okay.
BPC, English community, and yeah, I really like when I met with all of my friends, and I can support my hobbies. Actually, I couldn't say that it's hobby, but I love it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
it.
yeah, that's it. Also, you use a technology to, how to say, to explore, to improve, to build, and to spend your time and get exciting about it, and so your ability can improve significant by application.
Yeah.
Beside community, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it sounds great. That's brilliant, actually. So because you are maximizing the application or technology, right?
Yep.
Okay. My next question is, can you raise your hand?
What?
Ana. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. My next question is how's important we recognize our hobby.
How important.
Acang first.
How's important we recognize our hobby?
Actually, I am really believe if you follow such as the bad hobbies. No, I mean the bad
Positive.
the bad environment. Such
Oh.
yeah, I mean the bad environment, and yeah, it is related with your hobby. Okay, such as what to say.
This is like a debate but fun. Right? Not right?
Yeah,
Debate situation but fun.
That's right.
Such as the moment if you like how to say apa sih minuman keras, drinking
Alcohol?
Drinking alcohol.
yeah, if your
yeah.
hobby is such as drinking alcohol, for example, because you stress and etc. Yeah, it is very important recognize your hobby. We cannot make sure your hobby it is, for example, is bad, right? Because that is why if you have a bad hobby, you should change, I think so, to make
true.
a better your future.
Okay, I get a point. Okay, what about you, Rifki, Mr. Rifki? How's important we recognize our hobbies?
Yeah. What Mr. President said is how to recognize your hobby. If you have bad hobby, actually for me is not all the hobby is bad, but how you bring your hobby to be good for our life.
Okay.
Like me. Yeah, I will tell you.
Okay.
Every morning I go to swim. My mom say, "What for you swim?" We don't know, mom. Maybe I will back to town by ship. My ship will be down in underwater, and I can swim. I can save my life and
Yeah.
love again.
Are you a father?
Oh no, not necessarily.
Okay, but keep your statement. I wanna okay, once again I wanna invite the smart listeners to join with us while we discussion about our topic tonight. The topic is explore your hobby in 0811461011. But before we continue our discussion, we will be back after commercial break. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere.